The most powerful response to your haters? Silence. And results. Stop explaining yourself, start delivering. Someone doubted you today. Someone commented, criticized, questioned, and every part of you wanted to respond, to explain, to defend, to prove them wrong. Don't. Not because you are weak, but because you are building something bigger than their opinion. While they are talking, you are working. While they are scrolling, you are executing. While they are waiting for you to react, you are becoming someone they cannot ignore. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Noise is temporary. Performance is permanent. Your consistency will say what your words never could. Your results will answer what your silence refused to. Strong leaders don't react to every voice. They channel every ounce of energy into execution. Because in the end, it is not what you say that defines you. It is what you consistently deliver. So the next time someone doubts you, smile. Go back to work and let your performance do what words never can. Save this for the day someone makes you feel like you need to explain yourself, and share it with someone who is quietly building right now. I am untying these threads, one story at a time. See you next week.